Mr. Reno, you don't come, oh. You know they play, oh. Where you want follow. Baby, follow me.
Ah, teacher.
Mr. Ray, yes, so welcome.
Okay, well, thank you.
As I was saying, the earth rotates.
Who talk? Who talk?
Me,
Is it Nini? What? Is it Nini? Is it Nini?
I don't understand.
I say, wait till you talk.
Okay, I was telling her the earth rotates.
Why you dey do like this now? Why na no go dey tell children truth? You dey deceive this pikin. What? He say the earth dey rotate.
Yes,
So if the earth dey rotate, that means e dey move.
yes.
So why me and you dey for this country? What? This country where they hard, this hard country, why me and you dey suffer? We never move go another place. Hey! This line one dey tell us from small. From this classes, now you see they tell this pikin, why you no fit talk truth now? Why now?
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Uncle Ray, if the earth does not rotate, what does it do?
Yes, if the earth does not rotate, it doesn't does.
What?
Photo.
Wetin dey shine
Not
your
be
eye,
juju
it
be
doesn't
that.
does.